Hi friends, first the subscribe my channel. Take before you scroll, take a look at these tiny fluffy white kittens. I now eat the internet is full of cut animal videos, but there is something special about these little babies that makes it impossible to look away. Just look at these tiny paws. Those curious easy and that soft white fur that looks like a little cold walking across the floor. If you're having a stressful day, this video might be exactly what you need. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and spend the next few minutes with some of the cutest kittens you will ever see. And if these adorable little footballs make you smile, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hardworking animal content. Now let's meet our fluffy friends. These kittens are still very young and are learning something new every single day. Everything around them is an adventure. The floor beneath their house, the food in their bowls, the sounds around them. Every little thing is exacting and fascinating, which how carefully this kitten approaches its food. Even sometimes something as simple as eating becomes observable when kittens are involved. Their tiny noses are constantly working. They are exploring the world thought sight small touch and curiosity. One of the most amazing things about kittens is how quickly they grow. Just a few weeks ago, these little babies could barely walk. Now they are exploring their sound and becoming more confident every day. Look at this fly tail. It's almost bigger than the kitten itself, and that's one response people fall in love with fly cats. They look like tiny living striped animals, but behind all that fluffy is a playful personality pitching to grow. Kitten spends a lot of time learning important life skills. Playing isn't just fun, it's exactly practice. Every jump, every chase, every cross moments help them develop protections and confidence. Right now, the kittens are devouring their environment. Every corner something interesting, every object deserves investigation, and every moment creates a new adventure. One thing cat lovers appreciate is how quick every kitten can be. Some are brave and fearless, some are gentle and cautious, some are playful, troublemaker mats, and some are quick about even at a young age their personalities start to shine. Watching kittens can actually be relaxing. Many people say that animal video help reduce stress and improve mood. It's easy to understand why. There's something comforting about seeing innocent little animals enjoying simple moments. No worries, no deadlines, no stress, just closely peacefulness and pure happiness. As these kittens continue exploring the real building trust in the world around them, their confidence grows with every step, and their playing full energy becomes stronger every day. Notice how focused they become when food is nearby. For growing kittens, nutrition is extremely important. Their bodies are developing quickly. Healthy food helps support strong, musculous, healthy bones and endless energy for playtime. Of course, eating isn't their only favorite activity. Kittens love exploring. Sometimes they investigate things that don't make sense to us. A small shadow on the floor, a moving starting or random sound, everything becomes exacting that, and that's part of what makes them so interesting. They are closely never some to eat. One minute they are eating, the next minute they are chasing, sometimes invisible. Then suddenly they are taking a nap. Life as a kitten full of surprises. Did you know that kittens can sleep up to 16 hours a day? They need lots of requests because their bodies are growing rapidly. After a busy day of exploring and playing, sleep helps them recharge. But while they are awakening, they made every moment count. Watch how the little kitten looks around. Those bright easy are constantly searching for something interesting. Every moment travels a new live up closely for many cat lovers. Moments like these are priceless. They are simple, their nature and their genius. Nothing is forced, nothing is spread. It's simply kittens being impatient. That's what making videos like this so enjoyable. The innocence, the curiosity, the playful sprite. All of it comes together to create something handwriting. As these little kittens count their journey throughout early life, they'll learn many new skills: climbing, jumping, communication, playing with other cats, and understanding the world around them. Every day brings now distraction. Every week brings notification growth, and before long, these tiny kittens will become beautiful about cats. But for now, they are enjoying life one tiny adventure at a time. Look at these fluffy quads. They almost seem too soft to be real. Combined with their physical nature, it's easy to see why kittens are among the most loved animal in the world. People of all ages enjoy watching them. And just people, their climb professions and animal love simply can't get injured for the conversation. In these adorable kittens have made you smile so pure. Take a moment to hit the like button. It helps support the channel and allows us to create more videos featuring cute animals and hardworking moments. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss future kitten adventures. Thank you for spending time with these fly little friends today. We hope they brought a smile to your face, a little happiness to your day, and made it even a moment of election. Until next time, stay positive, stay kind, and keep enjoy the simple joys that animals bring into our lives. See you in the next video. Please my channel like and subscribe. See you the next video.